Oh, kids, are you looking at me what I'm doing? I'm making a house and outside. See how I made it. This is how I made it. I'll explain whatever is there. Okay? Get ready. Just 1 minute. Oh no. No problem. I can fix it. Just 1 minute, okay? The last piece is to fit it on top of this. Oh, hi kids. See what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to put it on top of this last piece. You want to see how I made it? I made it myself. Again? Okay. This is how I made it. These are the builders working for the whole house. And then these are the alarms that whenever there's any danger, it will outside and inside the house. And they are making the flags over here. And this whole house is made by them. This is the lying down, bed. And then you can do work by lying down on the bed. And this blue thing on top is the secret door. When you open the blue thing, you will see a small door the same size of the blue block. And when you open the door, you can call 997 or any number that you know. And this fire emergency and fire rescue is the kits. This fire rescue is for the hose, and this fire rescue is, emergency is for the fire extinguisher. Just 1 minute, it's falling close. And see, can you see the builders? They are building the flag. They are going to get the flag, and then this builder is going to pass the flag to this, and this will pass it to him, and he will hold these two bars, and he will put the flag over here. That's how I made it. And this is the whole street. This is the car driving over here if you can't walk. And this is the road. See? These two. And this is done for today. And one more thing, and this is the TV and chair to sit, or sofa, whatever you call it. Okay, next time for more videos. If you want to see more, then click on the subscribe button. Bye.